Good morning, good morning, good morning. My name is Sean Dex. I welcome you back to the Mango Grow for a daily Bitcoin and link analysis video. A lot of exciting things to talk about today for Bitcoin as well as ChainLink. I woke up early in the morning today to get a position in both of them, but unfortunately only able to get a position in on Link. BTC running away from me, but hey, I'm still in that BTC trade from a few days ago, so not too disappointed at all. BTC doing really well. I'm really happy about that. Today's video is going to be again short and sweet as I am still on the road. I was actually hoping to get a video as soon as I woke up, right when the daily candle opened, right after, of course. But I got caught up sipping on some chai with a fellow roadie that I just met a couple of days ago, and the conversation just went on and on and on. Anyways, I won't let this go on for too long. Let's get started with some BTC. Here we are looking at the 4-day time frame, and well, not much to say, right? We're simply staying in the trade that we got into. We were looking at this 4-day ascending triangle formation right over here, as you guys can see over the past week, right? We waited for the break, we got the break, we got rejected on the Tenkin, and then got the retest of the 21 EMA as well as the 200 moving average that we were using as a guide for the top of the ascending triangle. Let me go ahead and put that on for you guys. For those of you who are just tuning in and missed the previous videos, by the way, guys, please go ahead and watch the previous videos. You guys are going to see how easy these trade setups can be, how we do it over here, the mango way, the easy way, right? We wait patiently, we wait for the trades. Every now and then we get it wrong, and that's fine. We just simply take those losses very quickly. In fact, the last time I got it wrong, it was a small profit. So again, we get out of the trade though. We're wrong about the idea. Get out of the trade, reposition. That's what we did right over here on the 4-day 200 MA, lining up with the daily 21 EMA as well at the time. Got the continuation that we expected, right? Break of the ascending triangle to the upside, the retest of the ascending triangle, guided by the 200 moving average as well as the 21 EMA on the 4-day time frame, and now we're seeing the continuation. We may actually see a measured move or a target of around 10,100, 10,200. So let's keep that in mind. For that, I'm going to want to see more 4-day candles close above this blue Tenkin over here, as well as this Tenkin begin to flatten out. Right now, the Tenkin is lining up, angling up with this descending trend line all the way from July 2019. Bitcoin is definitely up to some serious business over here. But hey, guys, let's keep in mind the weekly has still not done what we are looking for, right? The weekly time frame is what in my opinion is going to dictate whether we're going to get into a long-term bull market or not. And now it's looking really good. We're living above the 21 EMA. We're also living above the Kijun. That's going to be major. If you guys do remember, when we lost the Kijun right over here ever so slightly, that was the impetus for this massive move to the bottom of the channel over here. Now we've lived on the bottom of the channel, broke the 4-day as well as the weekly ascending triangle to the upside, tested the 21, broke the 21. As for now, the question is, can we confirm above the 21 EMA? Can we confirm above the Kijun as well as the Tenkin? That would be a big win for me. Let's be patient, and if we can't do that, we can still look for that higher low and then the higher high in the next coming weeks, perhaps 2, perhaps 3 weeks. Until then, let's be patient and play the lower time frames. By lower time frames, I'm talking about the daily. And remember, guys, what did we talk about yesterday, right? We're looking at the 200 moving average as our next resistance level. We've not got there just yet. Pretty much got there around 8,900. We're looking at around 9,100 as our target. And if you guys do remember, yesterday I was looking to buy any retest of the 8,200 region, right? 8,200 or 8,000 region, I forget. Unfortunately, we did not get that retest. We can go and look at the 4-hour time frame to see what happened. This is what I was looking at yesterday while the day was progressing. And I was looking at very intermittently every like couple of 8 hours, and as soon as I saw 2 4-hour candles close above this wick over here, guys, above around 8,460-ish, you can see we were defending it very well. Soon as that happened, I gave up hope of being able to add on to my position. I'm still in my position that we got into right over here, right over here, 7,690-ish, after being wrong on our trade right over here. So again, to give you guys an idea of how I play my trades, I tried for a trade over here, expecting the 4 hour and the 12 hour 21 EMA to get defended on first pass. It kind of got defended right over here, but we did not see that follow through, right? I was wrong on my trade. As soon as we closed underneath, I got out and repositioned for the 4-day thesis, right? Which was the original thesis that we were waiting for like a good week. Soon as it came, got into the position and simply playing the rest out. I did take profits, right, around 7,920, 7,920ish. Go and watch last week's videos, guys, step by step. And now I'm just riding the rest of my position, waiting for a good opportunity to add to my position. As soon as I saw multiple 4 hour candles over here close at around above 8,450ish, I gave up hope on getting the 8,200 retest. Instead, I'm looking for the 4 hour 21 EMA, 4 hour 10 can retest. I did have a measured move for this. Essentially, all you have to do is look at this formation over here, and you can take have a target something like this, right? Something like this. You can take the wick if you want to, but I had a measured move that we did not make. Oh, actually, did we? Did we make that? This was not my measured move. I did it crudely, but it does seem like we hit a measured move. Pretty much. I may have overshot a little bit. Yeah, so I was looking at 8,980-ish, which is closer to my 200 moving average target too, but it does seem like my initial, if I'd taken the less conservative view, I would have had a more accurate measured move. But hey, I'm not looking to take profits anyways. I'm looking to add to my trend trade, and that's how I'm gonna be doing it. I'll be doing it as long as I keep going deeper into the profits. I am willing for the trade to move against me, because that's how you catch those big wins that could make your year. And that's what I'm looking for right now. I'm hunting for that year making trade, or perhaps at least a trade that will hold me happy for the next 6 months. It allows you to trade stress free. It allows you to, once you get that big win, allows you to enter positions with a little bit more calmness in your head, not trying to chase profits throughout the rest of the year. Bitcoin might be coming here and giving us that retest of the 10K and 21 EMA as we speak. Anyways, that's Bitcoin. I have to wrap this video up quickly because it takes longer to upload with my data connection in the wilderness over here. But yeah, let's go ahead and talk about Link. I did not get a BTC trade in, guys, but I was able to get in a Link trade, and Link doing exactly what we talked about finally, right? Going sideways for the longest time. I'll start with the daily before I switch on over to the 4 hour. But what were we talking about? Or were we looking at Link on the Binance chart? I do think so. We were looking at this 200 moving average, looking at the Kijun, but mainly we were looking at this horizontal over here, the $2.34 range to the upside and the $2.10 range to the bottom side. We said that one of two things can happen. We can either break to the bottom of the range, in which case our target would be $2. If not, if we break to the upside of the range, which we did this morning, and which is what prompted me to take my trade on the BTC pairing, we broke to the upside over $2.35. And as soon as we did that, we hit our target of around $2.50. It's like clockwork, guys. If this, then that. We also had the 200 moving average as well as the Kijun to guide us over here. As you can see, it was playing resistance. Boom, 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 boom. Broke it today in the morning, got the retest in the morning, and then made our way to our next target. The question now is ChainLink going to see further continuation? Again, guys, very simple. If this, then that. Either way, this is looking really good over here for ChainLink on the daily. What did we talk about yesterday? Looking for ChainLink to establish that uptrend. We have now essentially set in a new higher high. I'm looking to hunt. If I was playing the USD pairing, I'd be looking to hunt a high low somewhere, maybe around this region over here, or wick to around this region. That's what I was trying for on the BTC pairing, right? On yesterday's video, I did mention that. Let's go ahead and talk about the BTC pairing for now. A quick this wrap up for the USD pairing. I'm not entirely sure what Link wants to do over here. It really depends on how the next 12-hour candle closes. If it closes anywhere above this $2.45 range over here, I'd be expecting it to make another try to this $2.55 range. And if we can close above the $2.55 range, I'll be targeting $3.05 next. Okay, if this, then that. Very simple. It's not rocket science or anything like that. It's simple trading and effective trading the mango way, the stress-free way. Let's go ahead and look at the Link BTC pairing right now, guys. This is what I am playing, and look at this. If you guys do remember from yesterday's video, what was I looking for to add to my trade? I was looking for a wick around to this green box territory over here, by the way, which is lining up now perfectly with the 200 moving average. I had actually missed this because this this red line over here was my 10 simple moving average. I just changed it to the 200 for the BTC video, BTC pairing analysis that we were just doing around 2 minutes ago. So yeah, going back to what I was talking about, I was looking for that wick over here. I did not get it in the morning. What I did get, however, was a perfect close on our green box territory right here, right? We closed literally right above this, and I want to talk about this for a second, guys. When did we draw this green box territory? All the way over here when we were trading ChainLink in this region, guys, in this region, right? And what do? I simply extended the green box territory for when ChainLink got to this area, and then we got the same trade right over here and kept extending it. This is how trading can be so simple. We are basically being efficient with our analysis. We're reusing analysis, simply extending it all the way from over here. And now look at that. As soon as we close under, we're using the same thing as support, right? Resistance flips to support, support flips into resistance. We're seeing that right over here. We closed right over it, and that prompted me to take my trade. Why? Because we didn't just close over the green box territory. We closed above the 21 EMA, closed above the 10 kin. Now, yes, it would have been great if I got my position in over here, but you got to sometimes just suck it up and be like, hey, this is looking strong. I want to be part of this. And as soon as we closed the day right over there, we had that continuation to the upside. Now, I want you guys to go ahead and watch yesterday's video, because you guys are going to see how I think a few steps ahead while everybody's playing checkers. Over here at the Mango Grove, we are playing chess. What do we talk about? We said, hey, a potential mesh move, a potential next target would be this Kijun area over here, but we don't need to get all the way to the Kijun. We could simply take out this high over here, okay, this high at around 29,029 Satoshi, and that would be good enough to set in a higher high. And guess what, guys? We've done just that, and that's making me feel very, very comfortable with this trade. I'm going to hold on to this trade. Hunting, I don't think I'm looking to add to my position anymore. I'm happy with my position for now. But as long as ChainLink is making this high, I'll be looking for a higher low and then another higher high. And hey, we have that uptrend established. Let's go ahead and look at the weekly. Let's see what the weekly is doing. And yep, weekly, giving the test for the 21 EMA, giving the test of the 10 kin. If it closes anywhere above the 27,000 Satoshi range, very, very good things for Link. I'll be looking for a test of the 33,500 region next. So yep, that's Link, that's BTC for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. You guys are seeing firsthand how you can do it the Mango way. You can do it the stress-free way. So throw it a like, throw it a subscribe, share it with your mom, share it with your dad. I'll see you guys in the next video.